Opening YouTube app in PS4. No internet connection available message is showing. But I have good internet connection. Solution: go to date and time settings. Set correct date and time manually or by using internet. Now open the YouTube app. Error will be fixed. Subscribe.